going to make chocolate cake with peanut butter frosting. We are going to make sponge. First, we are going to need 6 eggs, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa bean, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extra. Is that good? Nice. When the egg and sugar triples, you should immediately turn it off. Now we pour this all into the baking pan and then put it in the oven for 25 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. Otherwise, you will not like your cake how it will look. That's all we have to do. Now to make peanut butter frosting. For the peanut butter frosting, we are going to need 2 For the peanut butter frosting, we are going to need 2 sticks of butter, a cup of peanut butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, a little bit of milk. Okay? That's it. First, we're going to mix peanut butter with butter. I